This video is intended to get you up and running with our heat press machine. To get started, if the machine is closed, open the heating plate by lifting the handle. The handle has tension in it, so make sure you lift up slowly and keep steady downward pressure to counteract the spring tension as it pops open. If needed, adjust the pressure of the heating plate. To do this, turn the pressure adjustment knob clockwise to increase the pressure or counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. When pressed, the heating plate should have contact with the lower panel. Next, plug in the machine and press the red power switch on the left side to turn the machine on. Find the appropriate heating instructions for the material you are using, usually found on the packaging. For heat transfer vinyl HTV material purchased from the MakerLab, the recommended temperature is 305 degrees and the time is 20 seconds. To set the desired temperature on the machine, press Temp, then press the up or down arrow to set the temperature, then lastly, press the Temp button once more to lock in the temperature. To set the time, press the Time button, then press the up or down arrow to set the required time. Press the Time button once more to lock in the time. While you're waiting for the heat press to get to the target temperature, place the garment on the lower panel with the HTV material on top of the fabric. Make sure the garment is laid flat with no wrinkles and is set evenly across the surface. After the fabric and the HTV material are placed appropriately, place a Teflon sheet between the project and the heating plate. When the machine is up to temperature, press the handle down until it locks in place so the heating plate provides pressure to the material. When the automatic buzzer sounds, lift the handle up slowly, again keeping steady downward pressure to counteract the spring tension as it pops open. Inspect the item. If it doesn't seem like the HTV has been adequately fused to the fabric, press the heat plate down again. Changing the pressure of the heating plate may be necessary. If the HTV material looks like it adhered, let the garment cool for at least 30 seconds before removing the garment from the heat bed and peeling away the plastic transfer sheet. When your project is finished, please turn off the machine, unplug, and make sure the top heat plate is open. If you have questions on how to use the heat transfer machine or other MakerLab equipment, you can get in contact with the Digital Services team and make an appointment at www.balibrary.org/appointment or grab us by email at digitalservices@balibrary.org.